Eli, pass to Alex for 3. No good. Rebound by Arvin, pinasa sa kabilang court. Foul, who's now? Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sablay ang ating haya. Score 10-5 in favor of Cloud Pinoy. Obanto, Castro, wala. Nakuha ni Kunjot, napakalakas sa loob. Bola na free throw. Eli na mamahal ng papasaan. Pastor Shiloh for 3. No good, 3 from 5.
Arvin Angeles guarding by SDA, giving the ball. Angeles crossover, drive through, kick out pass to Beltran, sumalaksak, pass to Beltran, 10 seconds to shoot, Eric Road, susumo, drop pass to Carabao ng Nueva Ecija, wala. Gawa ngayon ni Alpha to SDA, loose ball. Gawang Pinoy in favor of team. Gawang Pinoy. Obanto inbounding the ball, pass to Timbol guarded by Cielo. Susumo, crossover. Cielo, guarding, no good. Nakuha kayo ng number 2 ang Crowley. Mr. Alpha, dribbling the ball, pass to SDA in out to Brian for 3. Bang! Nice shot by Brian. The score is 10 in favor of Gawang Pinoy. This game is brought to you by Game Time. Angeles taking the ball, taken all by Game Ball. Pass to Junjun. Makakalabaw kaya. Bang! Banggan! Palitan ang mukha. Foul! Eli dribbling the ball, guarded by Arvin Angeles. Eli, pass to SGA, pass to Eli, pass to Alpha, Mr. Alpha Brownlee. 10 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rebound kayo ng Batang Nueva Ecija to Angeles, Eurostep, foul. Warning for penalty, team free throw. Second throw on RB Angeles. Good. Takbakan sa ilalim. Alpha ngayon ang Brownlee. Mr. Brownlee all the way. Easy 2 points. Sobrang laki, sobrang haba. Score! All 10 ang score. Ubato ngayon galing by Mr. Alpha Brownlee. 1-on-1. Pick and roll by Beltran. Hindi makalusok. Foul. Foul. Guys, it's penalty. First throw by Ubato. No good. Second throw by Ubato. Ubato, last throw, good. Score is 11-10 ang score. Alpha ngayon ang import ng Greek Roll. SDA. Pass to Cielo for 3. Wala. Kuha kayo ni Beltran. Tukibon. Nagmamadali pass din. Good. Crossover. Tinova. Wala pa rin. Kuha kayo ni SDA ng bola. Pass to Mr. Alpha the Brownlee. Pass to Eli. To SDA. Foul. On foul. Arvin Angeles. Timbol giving the ball. Steal by Brian. Pass to Mr. Alpha. Pass to Alex. Pull up 2. No good. Alex rebound again. Pull up again. Easy. 2 points. Too big, too strong. James favor in favor now of Gritro. Elite. Score. 12-11. In favor of Gritro Crit. Angeles kick out to Ubaldo. Ubaldo tapped by Alpha. Timbol. 6 to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Score. 2 minutes and 4 seconds for the first quarter. This is a championship game. Bertrand susubok Supalpan. Alex pass to Cielo. Cielo to Alpha. Alpha for 3. Mr. Browning. Alpha sumusubok. Easy 2 points. Score.
All 14 ang score. Arvin Angeles. Arvin dribbling the ball. Arvin pinasa kay Casper. Casper na sa loob. Paulus Parolet.
Last throw for Beltran. The score is 16-14 in favor of the Rock Pinoy. Sam, shoot, wala. Number 1 ngayon rebound, J. Max. Pass to Beltran to Timbol, number 20. Crossover, Timbol to Ubaldo. Fake, drive, drop pass to J. Max. Ang kalabang ay siya Supalpan. Supalpan ni Alpha, kuha pa rin ni Alpha ang bola. Kuha ngayon ni Brian. Brian to Alpha. Alpha ngayon ng batang Canadian. Pass to Cielo. Step back for 3. Bang! James favor. 17-16 ang score. Lamang na ang Greek Crow. Angeles ngayon hawak ang bola. Susubok. Tinira ng dos. Wala. Rebound ngayon ni Alex. Alex to Cielo. Cielo coming from Timbol. 34 seconds remaining for the shot clock. Easy 2 points na naman si Cielo. Score 19-16 in favor of Gritro. 25 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Ubaldo, pass to Angeles for 3. Wala. Tira ngayon, Brian, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, wala.
It's a falling game.
Gritro.
Wala. Last throw. No good nakuha ni Shiloh. Shiloh pass to Ellie. Look at Ellie pass to Shiloh. Shiloh pass to Ellie. Ellie turning to shoot. Alpha for 3. No good rebound by Shiloh. Shiloh 2 points. No good.
The score is 24-30, 24-20 in favor of Team Green Crew. Shiloh on the line, first throw. No good.
Yeah.
Shiloh last throw.
That's it. See, that means
Shiloh last throw. No good. Top by Arvin Angeles. Kuha ngayon ni Team Ball giving the ball. Guarding by SGA. Team Ball. Kick by number 0. Team Ball again. 11 seconds to shoot. Team Ball goes over. Blocked by Alex. Beltran, pass to Beltran. For 3. Wala. Kuha ngayon ni number 0. Pass to Mr. SGA. Pass to Cielo for 3. Libre. Wala. Kuha ngayon number 0. Pass to Mr. Alpha. Easy 2 points by Mr. Alpha. Okay. Time out. Wow. Time out, guys. 5 minutes time out. 32 seconds.
Of course, man.
10 minutes and 22 seconds. Unang bitaw para kay Jasper. Kapangalan ko na ito.
Hell no.
Jasper, wala. Sa break, Team Ball in Jordan out. Huling bitaw para kay Jasper. Paso, score natin 20-22 in favor of Green Crew. Eli ngayon, naghanap sa masa. Eli pass to Alpha. Alpha pass to Alex. Alex. Paano nagpapasahan? Alex. Opaldo ngayon, hawak ang bola. Opaldo, naghanap ng papasahan. Opaldo, tumutrin na ball. Opaldo, dumidiskarte, pinasa kay Arvin. Arvin ngayon. Arvin, dribbling the ball. Arvin, pinasa kay Opaldo for 3. No good rebound by Arvin again. Easy 2 points. Score natin 28-24 in favor of Canadians. Sam dribbling the ball. Sam, oh my God, easy 2 points by Sam. Score natin 30-24 in favor of Green Crew. Team Ball pinasa kay Jasper. Jasper sumugot sa ilalim. Wala, nakuha pa rin Nino. Kaya nakuha ni Shiloh. Shiloh ngayon. Shiloh dribbling the ball. Shiloh dribbling the ball. Marami na ngayon. 24 in favor of Green Crew. Arvin ngayon. Arvin dribbling the ball. Arvin dumidiskarte. Arvin sumugot sa ilalim. Wala, nakuha ni Alex pinasa kay Eli ngayon. Eli dribbling the ball. Eli 9 minutes and 18 seconds.
23 seconds. Score natin 32-24 in favor of Green Road. Alex got the rebound. Alex Sub repeat the ball. Sub repeat the ball. Sub. Jetro tumira ng tres, wala. Nakuha ni Jasper, nagaano ng papasaan, Jasper, tumira, patay, napakalaki ang pantay. Shiloh ngayon, nagmamadali. Shiloh nagaano ng papasaan, pinasakay Alpha ngayon, easy puput again. Score natin, 47-24. 6 minutes and 51 seconds. 12 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the ball tumira, wala, nakuha ni Shiloh. Shiloh tuloy the ball. Shiloh fake. Shiloh tuloy the ball, pass to Ellie. Ellie fake. Ellie tuloy the ball, tumira ng tres. No good. Big ball. Big ball ngayon, pinasa tayo, Ubaldo for 3. 37-32 in favor of Green Road. Opaldo, shooter. Opaldo, isa pa. Alpha, who's the ball? Alpha, pass to. Nakuha ni Lutford. Pass to Opaldo, pinasa sa ilalim. Wala, nakuha ni Alpha. Eli, pass to Sam. Okay, RV brings the ball to the diskarte. Alvin, napakabilis. Alvin, pass to Ubaldo, shooter lang. Wala, nakuha ni Jasper, pass to Arvin, tumira ng press. Eli ngayon. Eli. 6 pa. 6 minutes. Shiloh dribbling the ball. Shiloh hinihingi ng streak. Shiloh pumasok sa loob. Pero wala lang pa rin na Shiloh pinasa kay Eli for 3. Shiloh pa rin. Tumira ng Shiloh. Score natin 43-35 in favor of Woodrow. Ikot ngayon sila sa Jasper good job. Ako ka na nagpapahali. Alpha. Alpha, pass to Eli ngayon. And 50 seconds. Last throw para kay Eli. Easy. Arvin with the ball, pass to shooter. Easy to win from the ball. Sam dribbling the ball. Sam dribbling the ball. Sam pass to Shiloh. Shiloh for 3. So good. It's free throw. Opaldo ngayon shooter. Opaldo dribbling the ball. Opaldo. Score 46-42 in favor of Woodrow. Eli ngayon dalang bola. Eli 15 seconds to shoot. Eli dribbling the ball. Pass to Shiloh pass to Sam. 10 seconds to shoot. Sam 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apa sa kayo? Arti kayo. 5, in favor of Jericho. Time remaining 5 minutes and 33 seconds. Arvin, nasa kay Nimbol, mag-discarte Nimbol lang siya. Tutuloy mo pa Jasper, Score 48-46 in favor of free throw. Last throw, John pass to Arvin, dumiscarte Arvin ngayon, napakabilis, easy to go. 50-48 lang ang score, lamang ang free throw, lamang ang mga kaliban. Eli pass to Alpha again, pass to Eli, pass to Alpha, nakuha ni Ubaldo, nakuha ni Ubaldo pass to Dimbol ngayon, pass to Junjon nakuha pa rin ni Dimbol pa rin pinasakay sa ere, nakuha ni Sam pass to Alex pass to Sam, pass to Eli, easy 2 points. Score 52-48 in favor of free throw. Time remaining 4 minutes and 24 seconds. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. 52-48 ang score in favor of free throw. Isang timeout. Alpha pass to Shiloh pass to Alpha ngayon. Alpha dribbling the ball. Alpha 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Alpha dribbling the ball. Buta na. Ubaldo ngayon, nakuha ang bola. Ubaldo dribbling the ball. Ubaldo tumira na naman ng 3, patay na naman ata, wala. Nakuha ni Sam dribbling the ball. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Sam pumasok. Easy to go.
He gave it 2 shots.
Score 54-50 in favor of free throw. Time remaining 4 minutes and 6 seconds. 54-50. Jetro pass to Ubaldo ngayon, dribbling the ball. Ubaldo ngayon, guarding by Alpha. Ubaldo dumidiscarte. Eli pinasakay Sam ngayon, 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Sam foul. Who's fouling? Easy 1 point. 55-50 ang score in favor of free throw. Score 56-50 in favor of free throw. Arvin dribbling the ball. Arvin. Kanina pa. Arvin dribbling the ball. Arvin. Easy 2 points. Score 56-52 in favor of free throw. Shiloh dribbling the ball. Shiloh. For 3. No good rebound by Arvin. Arvin was the ball. Alex ngayon. Ay, Alta, foul. Alex, nakuha ang bola. Alex, pass to Sam. Sam ngayon, dribbling the ball. Sam, pumasok, wala. Kuha ni Arvin, pass to Ubaldo dumidiskarte. Ubaldo, pass to John, bumangga, napakalakas. Ubaldo again, pass to Jasper for 2. Dorwood, Ubaldo pa rin. Tinira na naman ng 3. Dorwood. to Eli. Eli, pass to Alpha. Alpha, pass to Eli. Magagawin pa sa Eli, pass to Shiloh. Shiloh for 3. Score 63-55 in favor of Rico. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Alvin ngayon. Alvin dumidiskarte, pinasa sa pipat. Wala nakuha ni Alex. Pinasa kay Sam, pass to Shiloh. Easy 2 points again. Score 65-55 in favor of Rico. Team ball pass to Arvin, napaka-shooter niyan. Kaso wala, nakuha niya Alpha, napakalaking tao. Alpha, nakahintay ng kakampi. Alpha pinasa kay Eli. 15 seconds to shoot. Shiloh 10. Nice. Score 65-55 in favor of Rico. 1 minute. 1 minute. Jetro pass to Arvin. Foul. 1 minute and Alex, 5 fouls. Alex, 5 fouls. 5 fouls, Alex. Time remaining 1 minute and 53 seconds. Out 5 foul. Out, Alex, 5 foul. 56 in favor of Rico. Sam ngayon nakuha ang bola. Sam retrieve the ball. Sam pumasok, wala nakuha parang Sam easy 2 points. Score 68-56 in favor of Rico. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Ubaldo ngayon dinidiskarte. Ubaldo pinasa kay Arvin foul. With foul red. Third personal foul, Alpha. $68-57. Team 68-58 in favor of Rico. Sabay.
Should be 7 though.
Score 69-64 in favor of Retro. Time 55 seconds. 60 seconds. Obaldo, pass to Jetro. Jetro in the air at the Arvin ngayon ang mamadali. 13 seconds to shoot. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 4 seconds left. 68-71 ang score.
Oh yeah, that? Oh, definitely.
How much time is it?
Probably less than 40 seconds.
I said 4.
I'll 4 you.
No. They haven't handed to them. Pick the cruise, he's waiting.